Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, every time a new website is launched and for measurement by which you can earn amazing, due to which you have got very good benefit. In the future, website name Kadabra Coin. If you are new to my channel, then puzzle by starting the video. And my name is Abia Tech. Today is my going to tell you about a wonderful website from which you can earn a website wonderful income. If you are visiting for the first time, click on my channel and click on bell icon button so that all my income videos reach you first, and click and link to this website. The name of the website will be found in the description. So friends, Kadabra Coin, buy Kadabra Coin and see this address and smart link. And Kadabra Coin, follow on Twitter, YouTube and Telegram your new favorite Tokenmon and Kadabra Coin, because a Tokenmon master enter the world of crypto with unmatched Kadabra by your side and help him to first fight his rivals. And Kadabra, a powerful Tokomo and peaceful, slept for many years and focus and his power is the spawn and an concept of hidden and safely by his sets. And so you have to read it further and read more and buy on pancake swap. And how to buy do it. And if you click on how to buy pancake swap and how to buy, then the pancake swap was shown in front of you. So you click task on BNB and click on BNB. You want to his token addressed page task. And and s- and then you have click on select currency and select your BUSD currency and done. And after you have any money of the firms and so below and zero point 0.3 and so below you can, and so below you will have a currency show. And you can also do this with contact wallet. Click on contact wallet and go to and contact you trust wallet connect metamask and more. And go to website, friends. And friends, go to website and website and the how to buy and address and how to buy Kadabra, how to buy Kadabra tokenomics. And read 0 point team wallet, 0 point owner locked, 0 point marketing wallet. And so friends, why 0 point? Because Kadabra is only interested in recovering the spawn by betting Dogecoin and total market uh, capitalization, and 5% fee for liquidity, 2% fee for holders, and 1% fee burn at transaction. 1% of max amount in signal transaction, 99% of tokens max burn. And 1000 and 000000000 and total supply. Anti-value anti-whale token elimination for trade, which is 1% of the total supply. Owner is dead. And follow Kadabra on your favorite media only, Hopinok and News Smarts Sports and great community. Go and join us Twitter, Telegram and YouTube. Kadabra, become a token master. Enter the world of crypto with unmatched Kadabra by your side and help me to fight his rivals. And Kadabra is a powerful Tokomo and peaceful slept for many years. And so you have to read and it further and read it all. And let me down Pocomo and Kadabra appears and see Sabrina and the her Pocomo and Kadabra fight against Hash and the Piku, and the Kadabra wins. It turns out Kadabra and Sabrina have a unique and mental bond. So friend, let me down and Sabrina Kadabra stamp up the fights against Hash one more time and see read it's all. And so you have to read in feather. And let me down Kadabra coin reach 10% market cap and 2022 question 4 Elon Musk tweets. Friends, read it's all. and let me up website. And so friends, okay, Allah Hafiz.